on this 99 Suburban. And you know what? It just gets me. 251, almost 52,000 miles. This thing just runs great. Last year of the 5.7, and then they went to that 5.3. Yeah, let's hope those spark plugs have been out. Looks like those are aftermarket wires. I got a set of AC Delco wires here. Hopefully they're the right ones. And some plugs, some AC Delco plugs. It's supposed to last 100,000. Well, I'll show you what I pull out of there. Well, I got out the old plugs. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, the iridium plugs, the tips are designed to last for a very long time. It looks like there's, some oil, but as far as the burn goes, I mean, it looks good. None of these are completely fouled out or anything. I was looking at I'm just guessing from the rust, I mean, they've probably been in there for a little while. It's hard to tell, really. I mean, these things probably could rust up in a year of salt, Midwest. But it could have been in there longer. It's really hard to tell. As far as the plug wires, if there's one on the manifold or whatever, you're gonna, see a burn mark on it. These look like most of them were all in the holder. Another thing is the insulation, 7mm. When I was looking at the AC Delco ones, they're also 7mm. And I mean, you can just take them off one at a time and, just match them up. Make sure they're the same length. That's pretty much the same. Just go one at a time. So far we got this side out, and we're just replacing the wires now, and then we'll go to the other side. Alright, so this is the 99 GMC Suburban. And if you look right under the hood, you'll see that it's a 5.7 liter. And then if you look right over here, you got the spark gap, 60 thousandths. You also can find the year right here, 99, for the emissions. And looks like some vacuum routing. The vent, the charcoal canister, which is this right here. Alright. So, last plug. Got all the other four out. Passenger side. It looks like they were burning. Nothing was fouled out. I thought I felt a misfire on it once when I was driving it, but I replaced the rotor, and I'm not sure if that was it or not. Now, I think the plugs, probably can go 100,000, and I doubt they were in there for 100,000, even though it's got 250,000. I was looking at these wires, and I noticed it has a 15. First I thought that might be length, but all of them say 15, so I'm thinking they could be 20, 15. They really don't seem like that bad of wires. I've never heard of them, but yeah, if you see something like white like this, sometimes that could be arcing. And I don't know, I didn't hear it. You can sometimes hear the spark going to ground. I didn't hear anything, but we'll put this last one in. I also noticed, and I don't know if I did this or not, but I saw this coolant like leaking down here, and I found this right here. There's a tear. I don't know if I pushed on that or it just old, but looks like I'll have to be getting some heater hose and get that replaced. So I'm gonna get the last of these in. I pretty much just gap them with this 60 thousandths. Run your plug right around, gap it, go.